Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed your Windows PC randomly crashing, showing blue screen errors, freezing without any warning, or restarting on its own? Most people immediately think Windows is corrupted or that they need to reinstall the operating system. Others even spend money replacing hardware without knowing the real cause. But before you do any of that, there's one important thing you should check first: your computer's RAM. The good news is that Windows already includes a powerful built-in tool that can thoroughly test your memory for errors. You don't need to install any software, download any utilities, or use third-party programs. Everything you need is already available in Windows. So in this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step. So let's get started. First, click on the Windows search and type mdsched. You can also press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Now type mdsched and then press Enter. This opens the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. You will now see two options on the screen. The first option is Restart Now and Check for Problems. These options immediately restart your computer and begins testing the RAM before Windows starts. And the second option is Check for Problem the next time I start my computer. Choose this if you are currently working on something important and want Windows to perform the memory test the next time you restart your PC. If you want to test your RAM right away, simply click on Restart Now and check for problems. Before you click it, make sure you saved all of your open files and closed any running applications because your computer will restart immediately. After the restart, don't worry if Windows doesn't load normally. Instead, you will see a blue screen showing the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool running. This is completely normal. The reason Windows performs the test before the operating system loads is so it can examine your RAM without interference from background programs or Windows itself. Now simply let the test continue. Depending on how much memory your computer has, the scan may take anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes. During this time, avoid turning off your computer or interrupting the test. If you notice any errors appearing on the screen while the scan is running, that's already a strong indication that your RAM may have a hardware problem. Once the scan is finished, your computer will restart automatically and boot back into Windows. After Windows loads, you might expect the results to appear automatically. However, Windows doesn't display them on the screen. Instead, you will need to check them manually using Event Viewer. So click on the search box and type Event Viewer. Open it. Now in the left panel, expand Windows Logs and then click on System. In the middle section, you will see a long list of system events. Now look for an event whose source is Memory Diagnostics results. Once you find it, click on it. The lower panel will display the test results. You can also open the Details tab if you would like to see the complete technical information. Or simply read the General tab for an easy to understand summary. If the result says the Windows Memory Diagnostic tested the computer's memory and detected no errors, then that's excellent news. It means Windows completed both memory test passes successfully without finding any issues. Your RAM is healthy and is most likely not the reason behind your crashes, freezes, or blue screen errors. However, if the report mentions memory errors, hardware problems, or failed tests, then it's very likely that one or more of your RAM modules have developed faulty memory cells or poor electrical connections. If your computer has multiple RAM sticks installed, don't worry. You can usually identify the faulty one by testing each RAM module individually. Simply remove all RAM sticks except one. Then run the Windows Memory Diagnostic again. Repeat this process with each memory stick until you identify which one is causing the errors. Once you have found the faulty RAM module, replacing it is usually the best solution. Fortunately, RAM replacement is quite simple on desktop computers and is also straightforward on many laptop models. I hope this guide helped you check your computer's RAM without installing any extra software. If you have completed the test, let me know in the comments whether your result showed no errors or errors detected. And also tell me what problem made you run the test in the first place. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.